don't have to go out. We can stay in. We don't have to go out. Whoa, Amelia, did you have an idea? Amelia, did you have an idea? Amelia got an idea in her head that she wanted to go out even though it's snowy. Do you want to go for a swim, Amelia? Angus, what do you think? Martha, oh, it's getting deeper. Good ducklings. Good ducklings. Hi, guys. Uh-oh, your pond looks like it's frozen over. Hello, Goosey. Hello, Pix. Hi, Stella. Ducklings, come on. Hi, guys, come on. Did you guys change your mind? Do you change your mind now? You guys want to go, don't you? Yeah. Good girl, Bugs. Good girl, Martha. Good boy, Angus. Hello, Goosey. Hello, Stella. Hello, Pix. Whoa, in we go. Whoa, look at that slushiness, guys. Yeah, Pix. Go ahead, Pix. Go ahead, guys. Go for your swim. Whoa. Pix, you gonna wait? Good girl. All right, guys. Happy snow day.